Welcome to this session, Open Source X Winter. Before starting the session, how to contribute in the open source program is a small intro on what is meant by open source actually mean. So, assume there is a mini project, which is a very small project. As you can, for example, you think in your SEM, you had done a project based on the based on the web development stack, tech stack. So you want to make it further good according to day by day features, new features which are ongoing currently. You want to add those all things, but the time won't will means sometimes time won't be sufficient, right? And also you need to manage, you need to be checking, go through everything, so what are new, you need to check other projects, what are the new currently available features. So it is impossible, and also it is impossible for you to keep an employee to make it more enhancing, right? And more to make creative in the features in the web development. So open source program be a best platform where it reduces the cost, actually the cost of an keeping an employee. Actually, the first this program is first started from the GSSOC, the Google Summer of Code, which is collaborative, means the main owner is Google. From that it has started where organizations will actually pay for a single person or two three people, that's it, with a low amount of cost. But for us it will be high, but as outside, if we that same employee, it will be very huge. So in that case it has been started, and for now it is also been able for the small mini projects to be also be will also be contributed, and also applications are accepting even the small project too. But there are some limitations even for that project. I'll be saying that. So as you can see, for a mini small project you can't afford an employee, right? So open source program will help you to push your project into the program, and where all the tech enthusiastic people will be joined and will raise issue in the GitHub for your repo. Your project should not be in your local desktop, so it should be open to all, right? Like it should be accessible to all, right? So you need to dumping your files and folders to the GitHub, and then while applying you need to just uh, share your Lepo link, and once your main project got accepted, it is start into the program. And to know more about GitHub, like say open source program updates and what are going actually, you can join my Discord server. I'll send you the link. So currently in this winter session, ongoing, there are two programs like Winter of Code 4.0 and Social Winter of Code. And the Winter of Code is sponsored by Tribal IT, Tribal IT Kalyani, which is in West Bengal. And open source program generally starts at the month of summer. It lasts up to 3 months. According to particular program, maximum it will be three, or minimum it will be 1 month accordingly. So you can join my open source channel, and I'll be guiding you there. By joining my channel, you will be able to understand what is open source, start contributing and improve your GitHub skills, and connect with like-minded people. And please, if you have any doubts, please just Just drop a message in the server. I'll be just replying to your message, and even in the WhatsApp group, I'll be sharing you the WhatsApp group link. And now I'll be showing you example of social winter code or not. You'll get a participate certificate for sure. Sometimes in some open source programs, there'll be a restriction, like in GSSOC. This girl script summer of code, and uh, just a second. For top 100, certification is accepted, but there is actually a restriction. We need to have at least uh, based on the maximum score in the top score in the leaderboard, the minimum points for the minimum points for the participant will be awarded. Actually, there is a top score of 8,400, and this is the program of JSSOC 2024, which is started from April and ended in August, and also it's got extended up till November, up till actually it should be terminated at the September, I think so. No, I think no, I think so. 10th August itself, but it's being extended actually. And in that time, when I'm contributing, I'm in the 18th position. Just at last minute, it skipped from 27 to 18. Like I got plus of 125 points approximately, whereas the remaining all contributors are down at that time. Why? Because 3 months long consistency is very tough actually. We will be having 3 months means sometimes we'll be having SEM, and also we need to cope up with some assignments and also the projects and etc. It is very tough if it is too long. If it's a summer break, it will be very easy for you to open and sit on your laptop and do the things as neat as clean. But if it's study and academic time, it will be very time taken, especially if it is a winter program, it will be very tough to be very consistent at that time. So many people will be having fest and also the exams. So these are the things. There will be a count of your every PR in the leaderboard itself. As you can see, mine currently, I think so. The server is down. We are able to see it. Okay, okay, undefined, undefined, defined. It is actually being closed, or I think so. Server is down, or usually we can able to see it. I need to restore before. I need to check to date, and I need to restore for the program. And coming into the part to the actual program, there are three roles mainly in every program: the project admin, mentor, and the contributor. Coming to the mentor, the one who accepts your like accepts your request in the issue part and assigns you the issue and assigns you also the project, and accordingly they just merge the PR which is raised by you, which is rectified by you. And this is my project retro. Um, so it is being held in the programs JS4C 24 Extend and also the Hacktoberfest. So every repo contains a deploy link here. If it's not, you need to check the main page accordingly. For usually, if it's a normal front end, usually it starts with index.html file. So you need to just click on it and you need to copy this full path and you need to go to git hack website and paste paste the URL, and this will be the deploy link. If in case the main repo deploy link is not available here, you need to deploy it. Oh shit, I think so it is misaligned. We need to check it. Usually this never happens. I need to check from here. There is no issue, I think so. Deploy link is the best. So this is the deploy link. You can go for either by git hack. So from here you can see like this is the readme file where you get a brief introduction about the project, and you can see a demo video and also what are contained in this and the last events which it has been participated, and also the tech stacks and how to clone, fork, and also push and create a branch and make changes and commit it through the GitHub commands in VS Code. So the website preview and total number of contributors, these all things. And first, we need to raise an issue. First, we need to raise an issue in the project. And before that, I forgot to say one thing. Before that, you need to check how to choose a particular project. So according to the activity, you need to check. First thing is according to your tech stacks, basically. So mine is being participated in this program at current and also the WOC. So you need to find according to your tech stacks. So I can find the projects which are related to HTML, and you can also find projects related to ML2. Think we can't find it here. So, but it's okay. You need to first select the project according to your tech stacks. Next, if it is matched to your tech stacks, and you need to go to the repo, like my project. You need to click on C project, and you can go here, and you can see through a deploy link. As I said, to first raise an issue, you should see the output of the website, like how it is actually looking, and need to raise the issue accordingly. There are three types of issues. Basically, the bug, documentation, and feature request. Bug represents, for example, you can see in my main website here, there is a overlap of content and also the images. You can raise a issue on this. And feature request, for suppose um, this button is applied to only the nav bar, right? So you can just, rather you can add both bug and feature. You can say both combined raising issue like there is a bug where dark mode is applied only to the nav bar, and also I want to apply it to the feature to be applied to all over the project. And you can also raise a issue like currently to the login and sign page there is no backend integrated. You can, if the tech stack is not mentioned, you can also raise an issue like this, like the backend is not integrated, and also to store the database is not connected. You can also raise these requests too. It comes under feature request maximum, not a feature request, but it's a type of addition of a feature. Now, don't think feature regarding the viewing purpose. Think a feature regarding the what a particular website requires. So, suppose you got a bug here, just take a screenshot of it and raise an issue. It's a type of bug report, so you need to overlap of images and content and footer or the section not too long. Just mention overlap and it is not existed in your, to make sure that your issue is perfectly assigned. You need to make sure that your issue is not existed actually in the issues raising. There are actually so many issues will be raising from day to day as the contributing session starts from day 1 to day 3 or 4. So expected behavior. So going to add the screenshot. And tick all these things, and sometimes it won't accept until unless you click all the things. See, as you can see, this button is not allowing you to submit. Suppose if you are an SW contributor, it's okay. If you are not, you need to still click that button. There is no other option in my repo case. And just assign, if you are not that, you can just uncheck it again, and you can just mention the project admin, and you can see from here itself you can know who is the project admin, and you can mention them and also request them to assign under SWOC program. But at the same time you cannot always mention the project admin. So you need to mention the mentors, right? You need to check them from previous assigned issues or the PRs which are frequently being closed by the one person. So it's closed by me actually. So Now we'll start with contribution part. After raising an issue, you need to open with GitHub Desktop. While it is already being integrated in my laptop, so for you it will be asking to just download it, and after downloading you need to start make changes to the VS code and need to commit the changes. Make changes to the VS code and need to commit the changes. And as you can see now the repo is cloning, means you're making a duplicate of this version. And now into open with the VS code, and as you can see it is opened your local desktop. Everything is being every file inside the repo is being noticed, and as you can see this is the main repo. As you can see we have previously raised an issue overlap of content and images in the footer section. You can see it everything here. Make sure you need to remember your issue name hashtag 846, and also PR and issue name need to be same. Pull request name, title, and these things should be same. And here I'm going to make a small changes. Here is the total code, and also one more time, and you can see, just check it here. Every file and folder is being cloned into your local desktop, and so here are the small changes. I'm just deleting two lines from the index.html file, and I need to save the file for every time. For as you make the change, you need to save the file for sure. Then you can see here these two lines are being deleted, and you need to add name to the commit, like name of your commit, and you need to add the issue name as I said before, 846, and to commit to the main. Sometimes you need to create a branch too, and to push the origin means pushing your changes to the repo. So before that we need to fork this repository into your account and contribute to the parent project. Yes, not for you, not for your repo, not your for your forked repo, which is duplicate repo inside your GitHub account. So into fetch the origin each and every time, so that at a time not only you, so many contributors will be updating the changes, right? So you need to update those commits should also be fetched, and that is known as pull request. No, sorry, pulling the commits. You can see here your name to your commit. That particular commit is being attached to the issue, and you can see, uh, sorry, you need to create a pull request branch. There you go, create pull request, and you can see PR is being created. And as I made a mistake here, title of PR and issue should be same. There it is being included in the comment. Issue and PR title should be same. So description had been, so as of now I didn't fix anything, but fixes overlap of the content and images. And into title issue, so this PR is 846, so I need to mention that for sure. And the type of PR, for now it is bug, but you need to check the box properly. the capital X without any space. If you give a space in that small x, it won't check. You need to keep capital X without space at all. I need to attach a particular file. So we'll attach it later, 1 minute. And now we need to checklist every conditions according to the contributor. So yes, additional content like mentioning the mentor or uh, the project admin. Please look into my repo. Sorry, look into my PR and create PR. You can see here changes. You can see here uh, the number of commits, files changed means in which particular files you had been changed. So you can see the deleted two lines here, and also you can edit file from here itself. In my opinion, laptop is the better option, and you can't go with the mobile. You can see all the workflows are being processed. They need to be a waiting workflow approval from the project admin or mentor. And just refresh the page for a minute. You'll be getting your deployment link for your particular PR. 847 is your PR number. As you can see, as per now, assume that you didn't make, like I didn't make any changes. If any changes are there, for sure it will be visible here, which makes a difference a lot. And this is the Netlify deployment thing. And there are also other deployments like Vercel one, and best prefer is like Netlify. Vercel is also okay, but both are okay. But more preference goes to Net. You can should log in and then you need to push your particular one. As you can see, this is your deployment of your PR. Yes, I'm going to switch my account. Now I need to check if any if mentor is using, mentor should see the particular pull request or project admin. This is the PR we had created, and as you can see, and you need to even attach a preview of your changes. So you need to open the deploy link once again, and you need to take screenshot and you need to paste it in PR description. Edit the PR description. Just paste screenshot. Okay, it is not accepting as my account is switched to main PR role. I think so. Okay, I need to switch my account. I'm not able to update the comment. And second, time to switch my, yes, I need to switch my account. Now you can edit your PR description. You can paste it. So it is processing. Okay. and you can see the time committed, and it is also mentioned it is edited. You can see it is added, and I need, yeah, I need to switch my account to the mentor. Like as of now, I'm showing you. I need to just I am doing all these things as a contributor and mentor, but if it comes, say your issue is mentioned here, you can see the PR and you need to, it should also be assigned to you. It has not been assigned, assigning to you. And now, yes, it's under WOC program and you to add, change the label to winter of code. Then this is the PR and I need to assign and make sure your if your issue is assigned or not, it's okay. If labels are not attached or not, it's okay. But your PR should for sure it need to be add the labels and the assignment to you. Then according to your changes, they will look into it, and if they matches and if they are satisfied, they'll just merge the PR and confirm it is done. And this is the whole thing how to contribute using the GitHub desktop. In my opinion, this is easy, but if it comes to coding part, it takes long. And as you can see, this is my contributor side thing. So you can see this is being forked. And into one more thing, you need to update the branch as you can see, as you are changing and it is being added to the branch, your current branch doesn't have those two changes as permanent thing. So you need to update the branch. Don't forget to update the branch, or else conflicts may occur. This is the fetch origin. When I do like this, you just cut out and pull one commit. One commit is need to be pulled to a local file. Yes, these are the things, and you can see total of 389 commits to my repo, and this is it says you can see these are the commands, and there will be another video regarding the commands, how to do it. Your GitHub username is yours. You need to clone into your GitHub account, right? And just commit push. And also I mentioned about updating your branch. Thank you. And this is all contributing. So thank you. Thank you for watching the video. And make sure if you have any doubts and if you're facing any issue, you can just drop a message in the Discord server or open source general group in the WhatsApp channel, in the WhatsApp group community.